क्या आप जानते हैं इंडिया के पास एक बहुत बड़ा अनटैप्ड पोटेंशियल है। हजारों न्यूरो डाइवर्जेंट नौजवान, टैलेंटेड, हार्ड वर्किंग, लेकिन उनके लिए नौकरियों के दरवाजे अभी भी बंद हैं। अगर इन्हें सही ट्रेनिंग और रोजगार मिले तो हमारा जीडीपी 3 से 7% तक बढ़ सकता है। सोच के देखिए, इंक्लूजन सिर्फ एक हक नहीं, एक इकोनॉमिक अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है, और ये मुमकिन बना रहे हैं हमारे इंक्लूजन के सितारे सोल्जार्क।
May I come in?
May I come in?
May I come in?
We started as an assessment and remedial center. We had a child who was neurodiverse. He was on the autism spectrum. And he was asked this question, what do you want to do when you grow up? And he said, I want to grow up, I want to go to office. I knew nothing we were doing can lead to even a simple outcome like that. And that's where we then started our vocational program.
So digital skills में we will start with Google Maps. Okay? So किसको किसको Google Maps पता है? सबको पता है?
I use my map. I have an address in my phone. Office address, school address, wherever I have to go, I have an address with me. I like to go alone wherever I go.
Whatever we teach the young adults that we are working with should be something that the sector wants and the industry wants. Now imagine a special educator creating a course in hospitality. The person has no idea. You'll probably sit with 3 books and try and create something. So I think that was a differentiator for us, that we worked with sector councils, we adapted the curriculum, we made it industry friendly. We went to the industry and said, validate this.
लो फ्रेंड, हाँ वहाँ पे लगाओ और स्टार्ट करो।
Khushi is working with us since 2020, I guess. I must say, commendable efforts she is putting and the commitments towards achieving the perfection. She is being an integral part of our system, and it's a valuable takeaway, I would say, for all our team.
We actually launched Project Aurora in collaboration with Soulzark, which gives an opportunity to individuals with autism and intellectual disabilities to not only intern with us but also to join our workforce.
When we started about 8 years ago, there were less than 100 people employed across the country. We now have 125 placed only through Soulzark and our partners, right? And while that seems like a very small number, what it shows is that that number that we saw 8 years ago has shifted and doubled just through one organization. And if so many more organizations come together like this, it's going to really become extremely impactful.
I have seen tremendous progress on my ability to do the job very effectively.
I'm not here just because you hired me. You hired me for a reason, and I want to contribute the best that I can to this organization, to the team, because not only am I grateful for being here, I do extend my gratitude to everyone who supported me, but I also want to do the best I can to help. By just working hard, believing in myself is what potentially helped me become the Employee of the Month, which you can see right there.
I want to thank my team leader for giving me opportunity to make the living for myself. I want to thank them from my bottom of my heart.
तो आज खुशी जैसे हजारों न्यूरो डाइवर्जेंट लोगों ने यह साबित किया है कि वो सिर्फ केपेबल ही नहीं हैं, बल्कि वर्कप्लेस को और भी ज्यादा प्रोडक्टिव, एम्पैथेटिक और सक्सेसफुल बना सकते हैं। तो सवाल ये नहीं है कि क्या ये संभव है, सवाल ये है कि आपको क्या रोक रहा है अपनी कंपनी को, अपने वर्कप्लेसेस को इंक्लूसिव बनाने से। यही समय है एक्ट टू इंक्लूड।